Hello, my name is Cameron Taylor, and I'd like to tell you all about a very important issue. Every day, over 200 million cars drive on U.S. roads. An average car will produce 33 pounds of carbon dioxide a day. That's over 7.2 billion pounds of carbon dioxide a day from all the cars on U.S. roads alone. This is a problem. The number one cause of global warming is carbon dioxide. Global warming affects us all. It creates unpredictable weather patterns and causes a rise in sea levels, which is bad for coastal areas, but also for inland areas as well. Carbon dioxide is poisonous to all animals, including humans. And unfortunately, cars produce more than just carbon dioxide. They produce carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides as well, all of which are either harmful to people or to the environment. Carbon monoxide is also colorless, odorless gas, which is a silent killer. If the percentage of it in the air reaches a certain point in the air that you are breathing, you will fall unconscious and will not be able to be resuscitated. Hydrocarbons create the effect of oil spills and generally pollute the water. Nitrogen oxides fuse with water to create acid rain. Gas prices are getting higher. Every day, there is less and less petroleum on Earth. It becomes harder to get also. No longer can we just drill in the earth and a fountain shoots forth. We now have to go much deeper and use techniques such as fracking. The demand for oil increases every day too. More people means more cars, which means more oil. So our supply is decreasing and our demand is increasing. With this, we see that our gas prices will continually increase until it runs out. To stop this would mean one thing: to stop using cars. But we know this is not possible. Cars are a part of our daily lives, and we cannot just pack up to a time before without them. We are too dependent on being able to get into an automobile and ride to places much quicker than it would be to walk or to ride a bike. We could buy all electric cars. However, this would not be good because the proper charging stations that these cars require are not abundant, which makes them unpractical. And also, the batteries to make these cars cause more pollution than a gasoline model of the same type would over its lifetime. So we must find another solution, and we have found it: public transportation. Buses, trains, and ferries are all forms of this, which are readily available and easy to use. They are found everywhere and are often able to get you to your destination quicker because cars have to deal with congestion. On average, a car producing 33 pounds of carbon dioxide a day is only carrying about 2 people. An average bus can carry about 50 people, and it only produces 400 pounds of carbon dioxide a day. So if we do the math, we see that a bus produces about half the carbon dioxide a day per person. So if everybody rode the bus, we'd only produce about 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide a day, which is still a lot, but is enough to slow us down so that scientists can catch up and produce a truly brilliant electric car. With this evidence, it now seems obvious to use public transportation. So, if one were to still use a car after hearing all of these facts, what would you think? Well, they obviously don't care about this beautiful country or their fellow Americans. People who drive cars would and should be looked down upon. They are not good human beings. They choose to hurt you and the people that you love. About 160,000 people a year die from lung cancer alone in the U.S. This includes children and the elderly, people's family members and friends, your family members and friends. A cause of terrible disease is air pollution. The gases that a car produces can cause this. And while buses also produce this, we have shown that they only produce about half, so half the chance of someone you love getting cancer. This would save countless lives and keep many people healthy. So, just remember the next time you hop in a car to go somewhere, do you really want to give that poor child cancer?